I couldn't believe there was a BNSF leading a Kansas City Southern in the Ferromex locomotive with the SD-70H unit leading a manifest train. He honked at me one time, but I had to take what I get. It's starting to rain again. Symbol of that train was BNSF ES-44C4 leading a Kansas City Southern in the Ferromex SD-70H unit. That train here originates at Galesburg, Illinois. Heads west going to Dayton, Texas. Happened on this Saturday, June 10, 2023 by Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains and Transportation on YouTube. My name is Tyler McCully. You best stay up train watching. Have a good one.